So we go into our next round of announcement of Scotch Order of Merit. This is batch 2, and I have the pleasure of inviting Ice Make Refrigeration Limited. The gentleman was missed in our, so he has joined us, and I would like his video to be online. You can see him there.
Congratulations.
Kindly unmute yourself so that we can hear you.
First of all, thanks to Scotch Group to give an opportunity for the nomination as well as the electing as semi-finalists. And we are the manufacturer of refrigeration equipment based near Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So we are producing special cold storages, chilling plants, refrigeration trucks, and other commercial refrigeration equipments, and also providing solutions from ammonia projects. So we are the in this industry since last 30 years.
Congratulations and good job.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Next, I invite Rollwell Conveyor Private Limited. So can we have the video of the gentleman, please?
Mr. Jaideep Kapoor ji, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Would you like to say something?
Yes, definitely.
Please go ahead.
Sir, I am Jaideep Kapoor. I am the Additional Director of Industries, Haryana Government. Sir, Industries Department is the nodal agency for the development of MSMEs and industries and bringing investment in the state. Sir, we are
from Rollwell.
Hello.
From Rollwell, sorry.
We move on.
So no one is there from Rollwell.
Sorry, Jaideep ji,
Okay.
wrong number. वो रोलवेल को बुला रहे थे, मैंने आपको बुला दिया. But thank you for sharing the role of MSME department.
जयदीप सर का भी है अभी.
जी, इनका भी आएगा, तो we will have an opportunity to listen to him.
जयदीप जी, जब तक अपना कैमरा का एंगल थोड़ा ठीक कीजिए, आपकी शक्ल बीच में आए.
जी.
हाँ, very good.
Yeah, so we have Bharat Impacts Private Limited, Indopet.
Yes, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Kuchar, Mr. Gandhi, for making such a good seminar and this town with me with the Scotch Order of Merit Certificate. And I would like to thank all my fellow members for participating in it. And who has won or not, best of luck for all of you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. God bless.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Amit Gupta, Director, Indocan Honey Private Limited. Mr. Amit Gupta.
I would like to thank the Scotch Group for this recognition. I would like to say that any small, even a small pat on the back is good for any individual to keep going. I just want to share one more thing, that I am actually a 2611 survivor, and that changed my life from being a corporate employee to becoming an employer, and it's a great feeling to move from employee to employer category. There are challenges, but then there are a lot of small satisfaction that you get out of being there and to create employment for people. Today in Indocan Honey, we are based in Haryana. We are one of the leading processors and exporters of honey, and we directly touch around 10,000 farmer lives, which are marginal beekeepers, and indirectly we touch more than 100,000 farmers whose crop yield gets increased by 30 to 70% because of the beekeeping and the bee boxes kept in their fields. One last point, today in India, the per capita consumption of honey is just 50 gram as compared to countries like Germany, wherein it is 1 kg, and US, wherein it is 600 gram. And it is our conscious effort to increase the demand of honey and consumption in India. And we have already seen, because of Corona current situation, because honey being a health product, we are seeing a 30% increase in demand in domestic consumption of honey. So thank you very much.
Congratulations, Amit. I am looking forward to taste your product. I hope you're going to send me some cans.
Sure.
Absolutely. Amit, there is I have a question. In fact, it's good to hear your story. We have, interacted with you in the past as well. The amount of honey that is sold in the market, are we actually producing as much?
Yes and no. The production, annual production, as per the government numbers itself, is more than 100,000 tons. 50% of which gets exported and 50% is consumed domestically. But to answer your specific question around the consumption, the production is there, but also there are issues of adulteration in India, which I would say in last few years, working with FSSAI closely, we have been able to amend the law to avoid any adulteration. Now is the time to watch out for the execution of those new standards in India. And we expect as an industry that in coming few years, the quality of honey being sold in India would dramatically increase from the field level up to the consumer level.
Excellent, excellent. Congratulations and keep up the good work. So we move on to the next here and invite Mr. Naveen Goswami, Director Technical from Mago Thermal Private Limited.
Congratulations, Naveen ji. Once again, good to see you again.
Thank you. Thank you, Samir. Thank you, Samir ji. नमस्कार और जय हिंद।
सर मैं वो स्क्रीन खुली है मेरी।
हम लोग पावर जनरेशन में हैं, बायोमास के साथ में, एग्रीकल्चर वेस्ट में।
सर क्या करना पड़ेगा इसमें मेरे को? मैं जैसे ऑन कर
साल से मैगो थर्मल डिफरेंट बायोमास के साथ में, लोकलाइज्ड बायोमास के साथ में रूरल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, पावर जनरेशन ये सब करती आ रही है। और मैं अपने सभी जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उनको भी कांग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूंगा। थैंक यू स्कॉच टीम, थैंक यू।
Excellent.
Congratulations. A spin-off Technopark Private Limited. We move on to the next, announcing Sterling Acaris Wellness Private Limited as our winner for Scotch Order of Merit semi-finalist certificate. USP Trading and Manufacturing Private Limited. Our next recipient is WindCare India Private Limited. I believe we have the gentleman with us, Mr. Anthony Raj Prem Kumar.
Sir, hello.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mr. Gokul Ram represents.
Yes.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, good morning to all. Happy to see for the COVID-19 situation. Yeah, I have to our innovative technologies without paint technology to removing the sleeving bearing. We are doing overseas for installation and 300 megawatt. Something like that, and now we can do the US project. US also we can import our system. Also.
Where are you based, Gokul ji? Which city?
Tamil Nadu, near Coimbatore.
You are near Coimbatore. Congratulations, excellent job, very good.
Yeah, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
We have Deepak Foundation as our next recipient for their project Samaj Suraksha Sankul.
They are there, but their video is off.
Hello. Congratulations anyway. Deepak
Good morning, everyone. Yes, I am Priya. I'm representing Deepak Foundation. And first of all, thank you so much for giving us an opportunity at the Scotch Award. And yeah, hope the best person win. And we're very looking forward to this.
Where are you based, madam? What's your name?
I'm Priya. I'm the Senior Communication Manager of Deepak Foundation. And today I'm representing Deepak Foundation for Samaj Suraksha Sankul.
Which city is Deepak Foundation based in?
We are based out of Baroda, Gujarat.
Wonderful. And what is the nature of this project?
The nature of this project is basically Samaj Suraksha Sankul takes care of the visually impaired children, and it also promotes inclusive education.
Congratulations and God's blessings be added to your work. Next.
Congratulations. Next, we have Department of Industries and Commerce, the Government of Haryana for MSME ecosystem transformation in Haryana. Mr. Jaydeep Kapoor.
Congratulations, Jaydeep ji. अब सही टाइम पे हैं. Unmute करिए अपने को.
आप अनम्यूट करें अपने. जी
कर लिए सर.
जी बताइए.
हम तो आपके इलाके के MSME हैं.
So nice sir, thank you very much.
ये मतलब अच्छी चीज है कि हरियाणा के MSME से ही MSME विभाग को अवार्ड मिल रहा है.
सर मैं good morning to everybody. Sir, we are in the process of helping the MSMEs by developing the common facilities center, sir. Sir, we have already approved 25 CFCs and developed our own scheme of mini cluster development scheme, by which we have identified and approved 25 CFCs and 13 CFCs are implemented right now. In this process, we have helped 8,500 MSMEs indirectly or directly. Sir, our purpose and our role is to maximum help the MSMEs and to bring the investment in the state and remove the bottlenecks faced by the MSMEs during the course of working. So this is what we are looking forward, sir.
Excellent. Can we move on to the next?
Next, we have with us the District Administration of Balangir for their project ensuring 100% institutional delivery through intensive EDD tracking. Do we have the District Administration with us? Move on to the next. Next, we have the District Administration Banda for their water conservation project called Bhujal Badhao, Pejal Bachao and Kuan Talab Jia. Now is the Scotch Crucible Award. This goes to District Administration Bulandshahr for their project Recovery Certificate Management System.
गुरशरण, ये क्रूसिबल अवार्ड क्या होता है, आप बताएंगे?
जी, अभी in the last couple of years, what we felt that a lot of new innovation has started happening. But the point is that when something new happens, they will have to wait for 2 to 3 or maybe 4 years before it reaches a catalytic level, wherein it starts to scale and start giving the desirable results at a wider. But the shoots generally are visible within the first 3 to 4 months, but it takes time for them to be recognized. So what we felt and decided that such kind of interventions, while they are coming to us, rather than getting rejected, that come back a year later, come back 2 years later. So this is going to be a discouragement to such interventions. In order to put them on the anvil and say that these are the upcoming projects who have the potential to deliver, given that 3 to 4 months or maybe less than a year, which is what Scotch Award minimum desires, that they have the capacity to deliver. So we instituted the Scotch Crucible Award. As you can see, this is a crucible and ultimately turning into a star.
तो हमारा औचित्य ये था कि आपको प्रोत्साहित किया जाए कि आपकी शुरुआत बहुत अच्छी है, अब जाएं आप इसको बहुत सक्सेसफुल कीजिए और दोबारा आइए आप, ताकि आपको स्कॉच अवार्ड भी मिल सके.
So we come back to the Scotch Order of Merit. This goes to the project Improvement of Health Indicators under Aspirational District Program for the District Administration Chandel. Arogya Kunji is led by Mr. Jitendra Kumar Singh, is Deputy Commissioner, District Administration Chhatra. He's representing and he's with us. So pleasure having you with us, Mr. Chhatra. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm Jitendra Kumar Singh, Deputy Commissioner Chhatra. Actually, we were conceiving a project where, because there was no health facility available in the village level, and we were having around 1,500 villages in the district, and whereas we were having only 12 PHCs, primary health centers, and 6 CHCs, and 93 health sub-centers, whereas we have 1,500 villages. So how to provide the basic healthcare facilities in each and every village. So that's how we conceived this plan to provide a medical kit, a particular special medical kit to each and every ASHA worker in the villages, so that they can have basic health facilities available to the villagers at the affordable, accessible and cheaper rates. So that's how we conceived this idea in a convergence with some of the money was given from the MP Lights Fund and some of the money was given from the District Mineral Trust funds. So by converging these two funds, we initiated a project called Arogya Kunji, and some of the drugs which are available over the counter, and some of the other things like bandages, torches, and other contraceptives, and some basic medicines we included in some kind of a kit, and we named that as Arogya Kunji, and we distributed that kit to each and every ASHA worker in the villages. So that's how that in every village at least some basic medicine facilities are available with the ASHA worker, so that if the children get some fever, children get some diarrhea, so immediately she can provide some kind of medical assistance at the village level only. So that's how that idea.
I think it's very good initiative. Could you tell me where Chhatra is and how is the COVID situation with you?
Actually, Chhatra is in the north of Jharkhand. It's bordering Gaya district of Bihar, and we are having around 40 people infected with COVID-19 as of now. Out of those 49, 25 have already recovered, and only 15 people are still positive here. So,
and are these ASHA workers doing any communication awareness role, etc., on how to?
Definitely. All the ASHA workers are doing the excellent work here. They are doing house-to-house survey. They go to the villages, they go to the people, and they collect the data. Who are the people who are having some kind of symptoms like dry cough or fever or all those indicators, and then we compile those data, and based on that data, we send samples to the laboratory for sampling. So around 2,200 samples have already been sent from the district till now, and out of this only 41 have been found.
Congratulations on that, and do convey our good wishes and compliments to your ASHA workers. They're doing a formidable job.
Thank you so much.
Very good.
So much.
Congratulations, Mr. Singh.
Thank you.
This project is also from Chhatra.
Oh, wonderful. So we have you back with us with the project Angan.
Tell us about
Angan. Yeah, actually, this is another project. When I joined here around 2 years back, so we were having some Anganwadi centers, around 1124 Anganwadi centers, and the children were not going to the Anganwadi centers. We were observing that the absenteeism rate was quite high there, and the basic facilities in the Anganwadi center was not up to the mark. So we came up with the idea of converting these Anganwadi centers just like any other urban play school. So we funded this project from the DMFT, District Mineral Trust Fund, and we upgraded these centers physical infrastructure as well as other things also. We provided children with their all dresses, all the water filter, all the playing equipments, all the malnourishment charts also. Everything we provided in the Anganwadi centers, including the learning based also. We provided audio visual sources like TV, and then some audio system also, so that they can just have a feeling of an urban play school and they can improve the learning. So we experimented with the 40 Anganwadi centers in the district, and the results were outstanding. And when we compared these 40 Anganwadi centers where we had intervened and with those Anganwadi centers where we had not intervened, the results were extremely different. So we were quite happy, and then we took up another 200 Anganwadi centers, and now we are in the process of
we now have to move on to the next. Unfortunately, timed out, but very good work.
Yeah. Well, I can see the passion with which you are speaking. I'm sure there would be a lot more that you would have to share with us. Really appreciate and congratulate you once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So I now invite the district administration, Chota Udaipur, for their project Comprehensive Emergency Obstetric and Newborn Care, Jabu Gaon. So do we have anybody from the district, or we move on to the next? Mr. Pawan Kadyan, District Magistrate from District Administration.
I'd like to, sorry to intervene. CMONC is actually managed by its collaboration between District Administration and Deepak Foundation. And basically, it's unique, free of cost, sustainable and longest partnership in India between government and the local district administration, along with Deepak Foundation. So we are basically providing free of cost treatment to both child and mother, and we also have 102 bedded facility there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. So we move back to Cooch Behar for their project Attainment of Self-Reliance by 526 SHG members. District Administration Gaya for their mission Indradhanush. Next is District Administration Goda for their project Lemongrass Cultivation on Fallow Land with convergence of DMFT Fund, MGNREG and RKVY. Ms. Kiran Kumari Pasi, Deputy Commissioner, District Administration Goda. From the district Nandurbar, Dr. Rajendra Bharood, District Collector and District Magistrate for the project Library Campaign. We have the gentleman with us.
Congratulations.
Hello, this is Kishore Karat on behalf of DRM Nandurbar. I am Program Manager at Piramal Foundation and Consultant to District Administration Nandurbar. So thank you so much for this opportunity to share our work with across country. Thank you so much.
Which state is Nandurbar in?
In Maharashtra, sir. Yeah.
It's in Maharashtra.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thanks also from Nandurbar.
Here we go. Another one for Bal Sansad campaign goes to Nandurbar.
Thank you so much. This is for all student learning outcomes. Yeah.
So could you tell us how many Bal Sansads have you organized so far?
Yeah, we had established around 2022 Bal Sansad in 100 school of Nandurbar district across, 1 to 9, 10 standard. And as well as we had established library in across 2022 schools.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. So let me now invite District Administration Narayanpur for their project Heart Bazaar Health Camp.
Congratulations. Where is Narayanpur and what does the Heart Bazaar do?
No one is there from Narayanpur.
We do not have.
Yes, on mute, I think.
No, that was the previous gentleman. Next one also goes to Narayanpur for their motorbike ambulance. District Administration Udham Singh Nagar for their project Giving Life to Ponds Water Conservation Efforts with the help of MGNREGA. Do we have anyone from there?
No.
Coming back to the honorable mention for Scotch Crucible. District Administration West Singhbhum for their model village. We have the lady.
Hello, sir. I'm Parul Rathore, working as an Aspirational District Fellow in West Singhbhum District. And thank you for this award. Hello?
Yes. And where is West Singhbhum?
Yes, we can hear you.
West Singhbhum is in Jharkhand, sir. We worked on model village.
So what have you done?
So in model village, basically we work on the convergence of the schemes running in all departments, and also we focused on the people participation so that we can generate the ownership. See what happened, we actually give money to them through many schemes. The problem is कि वो वहाँ पे sustain नहीं कर पाता है. So we worked with the samitis. There are different samitis like Mata Samitis, Shiksha Samiti, Krishi Samitis. We activate these samitis so that उन लोग का sustain कर सके हमारे projects. So this is all we did there.
Excellent. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Coming back to Scotch Order of Merit, the District Administration YSR Kadapa for their intervention, innovative approach in construction of subsurface dams with Z sheet piling technology to replenish groundwater depletion. District Administration Osmanabad for their project Suchlam Suflam. Ms. Deepa Mudhol, District Magistrate and Collector. Congratulations. Can you unmute yourself?
Deepa ji, where is Osmanabad and what is Suchlam Suflam?
Thank you. Osmanabad comes in the state of Maharashtra, and we have carried out water conservation works in my district. Basically, it comes in Marathwada region, so average rainfall in the district is around 760 millimeters. So we face water scarcity every year. So on that basis, we have completed around 828 works in the span of 3 months of time and creating a water storage of 6,693 TCM, which has led to the irrigation of 2,677 hectares. So last year we got rainfall only for 2 days in the month of October. So that all the storage structures, we had desiltation, recharge shaft, compartment bunding structures. So all these structures were filled, and so that our underground water level has come up. So this was a success in the district due to this water conservation.
Very good. God's blessings be added to your work.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations. Mr. G. Sudarshan Babu, General Manager, District Industry from Department of Industries, Government of Andhra Pradesh, for their project on ease of doing business. Do we have Mr. Babu with us? We can't see his video.
No, it's not there.
All right. Honorable mention for Crucible Award. It goes to District Urban Development Cell, District Administration Yadgir, for their project effective implementation of Angikar campaign through convergence and community participation.
Congratulations.
Next order of merit goes to the MSME Department, Government of Tamil Nadu, for their project on ease of doing business, single window portal and GIS based online filing and allotment of plots.
I think congratulations are due to Dr. Arvinder Kumar, who's now moved out of there and he's in the central government.
Let me now invite the District Collector of Health Mission, Wayanad, Dr. Adila Abdullah, for Hamlet Asha Uru Mithram. Do we have anybody from there?
No, sir.
The next one also goes to the District Administration for student Dr. Cadet. For the project Swabhiman, Odisha Livelihood Mission, District Administration, Koraput. Rural Development and Panchayats, District Administration, Moga, for the project renovation of traditional water bodies for reuse of treated water. Dr. Sandeep Mittal, Director General of Police, for the project Social Networking Sites, Behavioral and Legal Perspectives, goes to Raksha Shakti University, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Congratulations, Dr. Mittal.
Sandeep ji, I believe this is a maiden research in this area, which is excellent. Could you share more about it?
Samir ji, this is a very peculiar kind of project, which is very difficult to notice. And I appreciate and convey my gratitude to Scotch Group that they were able to identify this project as a important project. And our project basically is the study of the attitudes of the users of internet while they are in cyberspace, how they behave, and what is their expectations from the law regarding data privacy. So we gave inputs to Justice B.N. Shri Krishna committee, which was there to draft the data privacy law. And we have given our recommendations, and some of them have been incorporated into the draft law. So thank you once again for this unique project undertaken by Raksha Shakti University. On behalf of Raksha Shakti University and on my own behalf, I convey my thanks and gratitude to Scotch Group.
Thank
you.
Well, congratulations. I really appreciate your virtual background of Kailash. Congratulations to you. Next, West Bengal Khadi and Village Industries Board, MSME and Textile Department, Government of West Bengal. Women and Child Development Department, District Administration, Vishakhapatnam, for ICDS Pendurthi. This brings us to the end of batch 2 of Scotch Order of Merit.